As you guys would have seen on the channel, this is my 2000 105 series Land Cruiser. I recently sold my 2018 MQ Triton, and you may be wondering, why did I buy a car that's 18 years older than what I really had? So the first reason why I wanted one of these cars, and it's always been my dream full drive, is because it's solid axle. I've never had a solid axle full drive. I've always wanted one, a big flexi car that you can take on any single track and it will work absolutely perfect. It'll do anything you throw it at. So that is one reason why I wanted this car. And another reason was because I've been wanting a wagon for a while. They ride so much better than the Utes. The Utes are so harsh, and I think this is just a better tourer for what I want to do. You may be saying the Triton used no fuel, and it's commonly known that this uses a stupid amount of fuel, and you may be saying, why did you get rid of the Triton that used absolutely no fuel? And that is because, I don't know, I like this car. I love petrols because I know how to fix them. I'm not able to fix a diesel. I don't know as much about them. So this is really easy for me to work on. It's simple and it's very quiet when running, and it drives absolutely phenomenal. So, although this car is 18 years older than the Triton, it's still got basically everything that the Triton had, and it's missing a few things like CarPlay and all that. But we will be having a few videos on installing the head unit with CarPlay, installing dual batteries, all that sort of stuff. We'll be doing the full setup, the full Shazam on this thing, because it's always been one of my dream full drives. I've always wanted a car with big tyres, big lift, big flexiness, and yeah, I think it's going to be an awesome tourer. Now, it may be a bit outdated on the interior, but that doesn't really bother me. I'm not too fussed about that. Coming from what I had, it was very luxury and new, but you kind of don't really need that stuff for something that's literally only getting driven on weekends. I don't drive it during the week. Now, another reason why I wanted to buy a 105 series Land Cruiser is so I could have a wagon for a setup exactly like this. Now, this is the bed in the back of the 105 series. I've recently done a drawer fridge and a drawer as well, just so that we have some storage under there. And I love the tailgate, I love the wagon setup. Everything's protected once you put it in here. So this is a mattress that I bought from Big W. It's a fold up one, so you can fold it over itself and put the seats back up and all that, which works killer for what I want to do. But yeah, that's another reason why I wanted to buy one of these, because I've always wanted one, and I always wanted a bed set up in the back, and I can have all my custom stuff. We have so much coming for this, like fans on the inside, switches, lights everywhere. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's another reason why I wanted one of these things. So guys, that is a little into why I bought a 105 series Land Cruiser and why I sold the Triton, and that is just because, again, I've always wanted one of these cars. I think it's going to be a killer setup. It's going to be awesome for what I want to do with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are keen for what's about to happen to this rig, please make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time.